5 best dropshipping suppliers for baby clothes. The baby clothes niche is one of the most rewarding in e-commerce, with parents constantly searching for stylish, comfortable, and high-quality clothing for their little ones. Offering the right products can lead to significant profits. To succeed in this market, you need reliable suppliers who provide adorable, safe, and trendy baby apparel. In today's video, we'll reveal the 5 best dropshipping suppliers for baby clothes to help you grow your store and delight your customers. Hey guys, welcome back to Dropshipping Hustle. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 best dropshipping suppliers for baby clothes. Whether you're targeting parents looking for essentials or boutique baby fashion, these suppliers will provide you with high-quality products and fast fulfillment options. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the bell notification icon so you never miss out on our supplier reviews, e-commerce tips, and business strategies. Let's get started. At number 5, Baby Outlet. Kicking off our list at number 5 is Baby Outlet, a popular supplier for affordable and trendy baby clothes. What they offer: Baby Outlet specializes in baby essentials like rompers, onesies, sleepwear, and seasonal outfits. Why they're great for dropshipping: their wide range of designs and competitive pricing make it easy to attract customers while maintaining healthy profit margins. Shipping advantage: Baby Outlet offers global shipping, ensuring parents worldwide can enjoy their adorable products. If you're looking for cute and affordable baby clothes, Baby Outlet is a great supplier to start with. At number 4, Spocket. Coming in at number 4 is Spocket, a well-known dropshipping platform with premium suppliers offering baby clothes. What they offer: Spocket features high-quality baby apparel, including organic cotton onesies, bibs, and blankets. Why they're popular: their focus on premium products and faster shipping times makes them a favorite for dropshippers targeting boutique baby fashion. Integration options: Spocket integrates seamlessly with Shopify, WooCommerce, and other platforms, automating product imports and fulfillment. If you're targeting parents who want high-quality, eco-friendly baby clothes, Spocket is an excellent platform to explore. At number 3, AliExpress via Oberlo or de-essers. Next up at number 3 is AliExpress, one of the largest global marketplaces for dropshipping. What they offer: AliExpress offers an extensive catalog of baby clothes, including trendy outfits, matching sets, and accessories. Why it's great for dropshipping: with tools like Oberlo or de-essers, you can easily import products into your store and automate order fulfillment. Affordable pricing: AliExpress suppliers provide budget-friendly options, allowing you to test a wide range of products without breaking the bank. If you want variety and affordability for your baby clothes store, AliExpress is a reliable partner. At number 2, Petit Bateau. Coming in at number 2 is Petit Bateau, a premium supplier of baby and kids clothing. What they offer: Petit Bateau focuses on high-quality baby clothes made from soft, durable fabrics. Their product range includes bodysuits, dresses, and knitwear. Why they're great for dropshipping: their reputation for quality and stylish designs makes it easy to attract parents looking for premium baby wear. Customer appeal: Petit Bateau's timeless style is perfect for dropshippers targeting boutique customers or high-end buyers. If you're focusing on the luxury baby clothes market, Petit Bateau is a must-have supplier for your store. At number 1, Kitty's World Wholesale. And finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is Kitty's World Wholesale, a leading supplier of baby and kids clothing. What they offer: Kitty's World Wholesale provides a diverse range of baby clothes, including everyday essentials, fancy outfits, and seasonal wear. Why they're the best: their focus on high-quality materials, competitive pricing, and reliable shipping makes them a favorite for dropshippers. Fast shipping: With warehouses in the UK and global shipping options, they ensure your customers receive their orders quickly. If you're looking for a trusted supplier with a wide selection of stylish and practical baby clothes, Kitty's World Wholesale is the ultimate choice. And that's a wrap. And that's our list of the 5 best dropshipping suppliers for baby clothes. Let's quickly recap the list. Kitty's World Wholesale. Best overall for high-quality baby clothes and reliable shipping. Petit Bateau, perfect for premium luxury baby apparel. AliExpress via Oberlo or de-essers, great for affordable options and variety. Spocket, ideal for eco-friendly boutique baby fashion. Baby Outlet, a fantastic supplier for budget-friendly and trendy baby essentials. Which of these suppliers are you most excited to try for your baby clothing dropshipping business? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share it with your fellow entrepreneurs, and subscribe to Dropshipping Hustle for more tips, supplier reviews, and strategies to grow your store. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep hustling.